Most people get this wrong when they search for Amazon FlexPay. They see big hourly numbers online and assume that is what they will take home. But here's the truth, no one tells you. On Amazon Flex in 2026, your real earnings depend on block availability, location, and expenses more than anything else. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is calculating earnings without subtracting fuel, maintenance, and downtime. In this video, you will learn the real 2026 Amazon Flex pay rates, how drivers actually earn money, and what determines whether it is worth your time. Let's break it down simply. Amazon Flex pays drivers per delivery block, not per hour. A block is a set time period where you deliver packages using your own car. A driver like Alex might pick up a 3-hour block and complete multiple stops in one route. Now here's where it gets interesting. In 2026, most Amazon Flex blocks typically pay between $18 to $30 per hour before expenses. Some high-demand blocks can go higher, especially during holidays or peak shopping periods. But here's the problem most beginners miss. That hourly rate is not guaranteed every day. Block availability changes constantly based on demand and location. Let's talk real earnings. Most part-time drivers earn roughly $100 to $200 per day, depending on how many blocks they secure. Full-time drivers who consistently get blocks in busy cities may earn $800 to $1,500 per week before expenses. But again, that depends heavily on availability. A driver like Jake working in a busy metro area will usually get more consistent blocks than someone in a small town where demand is lower. Now, let's subtract expenses because this is where reality changes. Fuel, car maintenance, insurance, and vehicle depreciation can reduce your actual take-home pay by 20 to 35%. After expenses, many drivers end up earning closer to $14 to $22 per hour on average. In a minute, here is a key insight: experienced drivers use. They don't wait for perfect blocks. They schedule their availability around peak release times when new blocks drop in the system. Timing also matters a lot. Early mornings and evenings tend to have more consistent block availability. Holiday seasons can significantly increase pay rates due to high package volume. Another factor is efficiency. Drivers like John who know warehouse pickup routines and optimized routes can complete deliveries faster and reduce wasted time between stops. So is Amazon Flex worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you can consistently secure blocks and manage your expenses carefully. It is not passive income. It is structured gig work that rewards consistency and timing. To summarize, Amazon Flex in 2026 pays roughly $18 to $30 per hour before expenses. Real take-home is lower after costs. Earnings depend heavily on block availability, location, and efficiency. If this helped you understand real Amazon Flex pay, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more honest gig economy breakdowns that help you earn smarter.